Crypto in a lazy portfolio. Should you add Bitcoin, Ethereum, or any altcoins in 2025? Or is it just gambling disguised as investing? Everyone has an opinion. Crypto maxis say it's the future of money and will 100x. Traditional investors call it a speculative bubble. For lazy investors who want long-term wealth without daily stress, the truth is somewhere in the middle. Let's look at the facts, not the hype. Bitcoin's historical return since 2010 is insane, over 200% annualized in some periods. But from 2015 to 2025, a more realistic decade for most investors, Bitcoin returned about 60% annually on average, while the S&P 500 returned 14% according to CoinMarketCap and Vanguard data through December 2025. Ethereum did similar in bull runs, but with even wilder swings. The problem for lazy investors: volatility. Bitcoin dropped 80+% in 2018 and 2022. The S&P 500's worst drawdown in that period was about 34%. A 2025 JP Morgan report estimates Bitcoin's long-term expected return at 7 to 9% annually going forward as it matures, similar to stocks but with 3 to 4 times the volatility. So is crypto worth adding to a lazy portfolio? For 95% of lazy investors, a small allocation, 1 to 5% max, can make sense as a diversifier, not a core holding. Why? Low correlation with stocks. When stocks crash, Bitcoin sometimes holds or rises, though not always. 2022 both tanked. Potential inflation hedge and asymmetric upside if adoption grows. Easy to buy lazily. Hold spot Bitcoin or Ethereum ETFs, approved in 2024 like IBIT or ETHA, in your brokerage. No wallets, no keys, no hassle. Real numbers from Portfolio Visualizer Backtest, 2015 to 2025 data. 100% stocks, VTI, 100,000 invested becomes $450,000. 95% stocks plus 5% Bitcoin, 550,000, extra 100,000 from crypto upside. But in worst years, the 5% crypto portfolio dropped harder. The risks: regulatory changes, governments could crack down. Tech risk, hacks, lost keys, less with ETFs. Emotional risk, most people panic sell at bottoms or FOMO at tops. 3 lazy rules if you add crypto. Limit to 1 to 5% of portfolio. Treat it like spice, not the meal. Buy and hold spot ETFs only. No trading, no leverage, no altcoins. Rebalance once a year. Sell high, buy low automatically. For true lazy investors who hate volatility, skip crypto entirely. Stocks plus bonds have built wealth for decades without the drama. Crypto isn't dead, but it's not a replacement for boring index funds. A tiny slice can add juice. Anything more turns lazy investing into gambling. Click my Robinhood referral link below in the description and get started today with a free stock just for using my link. Hit the like button if you're keeping crypto under 5% in your portfolio. Comment your crypto allocation or 0%. Subscribe for more honest takes on trendy investments. Thanks for watching. Go be lazy and get rich.